Let me show you how to use the disconnection block in the tool. Insertion tool for MDF disconnection block 71 is available for all applications where a large number of single wires must be distributed or connected. First, insert the wires through the threading board. Then use the insertion tool to connect the wires with the block, and cut the extra wires one by one. The block is suitable for digital transmission up to 2.08 Mbit. By the way, a 5 pairs overvoltage protection magazine TP1503-5 can be inserted into the block, with the function of protecting personnel and equipment against overvoltage. The block is used for both voice and data networks in the central office, cabinets, and in private networks applications. Finally, confirm that the wires are firmly connected. It's finished. Thanks for your time.
The Apple, your partner in growth.